Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I would like to share with you my experience how I've lost my weight. And I can say that that was unexpectedly. I did not plan it. Before that, my weight was about 70 kilos. I was look like balloon thanks to free of charge 3 times meal and my happy time that period, and I've got 70 and plus kilos. It was terrible, and of course I knew how to lose it, and I've lost it until 65. I played tennis. I used a lot of physical exercises, but I don't like to work long and hard. That's why I couldn't burn my body until dry form. So tennis is not a good way to lose weight. I knew it. I know it now, and I knew it before, and I didn't want to work hard, and that's why I didn't have dry body. But 2 years ago, it so happened that I had lots of free time, and I decided finally to learn cooking and baking. I could not bake at all before, and I decided to learn it. And in order to get food, I need to go to shopping centers, and I decided to go there not by driving or using any transport system. I decided to go there by walking. And in 1 month, I noticed that my body has enormously changed. And first of all, my legs became thinner, more beautiful, and even better shape than I ever had before. So I was surprised, and I decided to correct my walking technique in order to get the better result. And as I learned to cook and to bake, of course, first of all, I followed all recipes. I watched lots of TV shows, videos, I have read lots of books, and after that, when I learned how to cook and bake easy things like chicken, meat, fish, some vegetables, muffins, and other things, I decided to change recipes in order to make lower calorie in dishes. So in combination of these two things, corrected walking technique and corrected food recipes, I've got the best result I've ever had. I've got my lovely 60 kilos. So I was happy. And the most important, that extra fat did not return and don't return now. So I keep my 60 kilos easily. I add more fatty food because I don't want to lose more weight. I keep my body in 60 kilos now, and it's easy, and I don't do anything special. I don't work hard in doing physical exercises, just some of them, but mostly I walking. And just easy things like walking made enormous magic thing in my life. So I advise you to stand up and walk, and you get the best result you've ever had. Watch my next videos, and I will show you how to walk properly, how to use all your body, and how to train your muscles when you walk. And of course, my recipes which I created in order to keep my fit forms, not excluding any food. Thanks guys for watching my video. Wait you in next videos. Bye.